Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from Studio Delight. This is the brand that is affiliated with Hobby Lobby stores, Cross. So this is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeter. This kit came with 28 colors, and one color was AB. This one's something in between orange and yellow. However, on the box it was mentioned that this kit included metallic drills. So I'm not sure if there was a mistake or they switched in the last minute and instead of metallic drills they added the ABs, but I ended up replacing this very AB color with golden metallic golden drills from Diamond Dots. Here they are. Why? Because when I began to diamond paint, the quotation from the Bible, I am fearfully and wonderfully made, where the ABs were supposed to be placed, I realized that this color doesn't really fit here well because it blends in with the background and it does not highlight the quotation from the Bible. And what's the most important, right, in this very design? The cross itself and again the quotation, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. But again, with the ABs you could hardly distinguish what was written. So I decided to replace the symbols with golden drills, metallic golden drills only, and I left a few here on this word, wonderfully. And I think you can see, I just didn't have enough patience to take all the drills out and replace them with the metallic drills, because at first I was thinking to rotate ABs with the golden ones, for example, to make made golden, then wonderfully ABs, and again golden, fearfully ABs, etc. But again, when I began to do it and I left a few for you to see, again, it was way too pale. This color is way too pale, and it was hardly impossible to even understand what this word was. That is why I decided to replace all of it with the golden drills, and I think that if Studio Delights left metallic drills as they intended to instead of ABs, it would look way better than the ABs. So overall it was pretty easy and fast to diamond paint, because as you can see the background consists only of one color, and hence it was color blocking mostly, along with the cross as well, because it is also diamond painted with one color. But there was a lot of confetti on the flowers, and I really love the result. I think it turned out to be gorgeous. The drills were acrylic, but they were of a pretty decent quality. I tossed away very few defective ones. The majority of the drills were of very high quality. I did replace a few colors with ABs on top of the golden ones, right? I also added some yellow ABs here on the flower, but there were very few, and green ABs as well. Other than that, I left the original drills on the, like, I would say 95% of the design, and I really love how it turned out. It looks fantastic, it looks very detailed, and everything that is important on this design is highlighted, right? So that's how it looks. So what I would recommend you to do if you are looking into purchasing this very kit, I would definitely advise you to replace the ABs that this kit come with golden metallic drills, because again it blends in too much with the background, and it's very hard to differentiate the wording on the cross in the end. So that's how it looks completed. What I'm going to do now is put it behind the glass, and we'll see how it looks framed. I'm also planning to give it away to the church, to donate it to the church. Hopefully they will be able to sell this kit and make some money. So stay with me. And that's how it looks behind the glass. I won't lie, in the white frame it would look better, but I do not have any white frames and I don't have time to purchase it, so it would go in the, I would say, beige frame. And I mean, it looks cute as well, but in the white one it looked better. White frame looks really very good with almost every single design that I tried. So I think I should purchase more white frames for the future. Sorry for the cracking sound. So that's how it looks completed. I hope you like it, and I also hope that I gave you some ideas on how to work with this very kit if you decide to purchase it. I think it looks fantastic. It looks really very nice with golden drills, and I really hope that this very design will find a new owner and will make them happy and remind of what it says on the cross, right? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.